Hello my YouTube friends, this is Not Mechanic here, and today I'm working on a 2014 Volkswagen Jetta. And what we're going to be doing today is we are going to be replacing the air filter. So let's come up front and see what I'm going to do. The filter is right in the front, and they have 4 screws, Phillips screws. One here, 2, 3, and 4. There's another one right here, and all you have to do is take your Phillips screwdriver and loosen them up and pick it up. The ones in the back, I noticed they are stripped, and you see how loose it is. So the next time I come around here, I'm gonna get some bigger screws to put them in there if we can hold on. So what we're gonna do is loosen all 4 of them. Make sure you loosen all 4 of them, and once you loosen all 4 of them, all you have to do is just pick it up. Pick it up, put it in the side, and then you also have a screw right here, and once you loosen up that screw, what's going to happen, you can lift this up and the air filter will come out. Here you go, you pick it up. Just remember how you took it out. Go straight down like this. And all we have to do now is pick up the filter. Just remember how the filter goes. And there's only one way to put it. You have 2 tabs here, plastic tab here, and another plastic tab there. And also you have this little groove here that is gonna go right in here. So let's put the new one. This filter actually, seen better days. So we're gonna take our new filter. Like I said, don't forget that groove. That groove goes right in there. And it just slides down. See that? Make sure it goes down. Make sure it goes in there first. And then make sure it slides down. You gotta push it in. You have to make sure that this right here, right, is flush with the air tube here. And all you have to do, once you push it in, make sure you press it down here so it can go down. When that goes in, and then you take the little bracket, don't forget how it goes, the little bracket in, and put the screw. There you go. Once this down, make sure everything is flush. It's cover. You're gonna take your cover. Don't forget that this one right here goes over here. And you see the screws goes in each of the holes. You go. Make sure you take the ones in the back, lock them in there. There you go. There you go. And you have replaced your engine air filter on your 2014 Volkswagen Jetta. So once again, this is Non-Mechanic. If you have any comments or questions, please post them down below or contact me on nonmechanic101@yahoo.com. That is Non-Mechanic. That is nonmechanic101@yahoo.com. And remember, if Non-Mechanic can do it, you can do it. Later.